Hey there. This guide explains how to check where your X Twitter account is currently logged in on iPhone and Android devices in a simple and secure way. First thing first, open the X app on your smartphone and log into your account if required. Tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access the main menu. From there, select Settings and Support, then choose Settings and Privacy to open account options. Inside Settings, tap Security and Account Access, then go to Apps and Sessions for login details. Now select Sessions to view all devices currently signed into your X account. You will see a list of active sessions including devices, locations, and login times for each entry. If you notice any unknown device or suspicious activity, tap it to review access details carefully. You can choose Log Out of Device or select Log Out of all other sessions to secure your account immediately. Following these steps helps you monitor your account security and ensure no unauthorized devices have access to your X profile. It is a good practice to regularly check active sessions, especially if you log in from multiple devices or public networks. This ensures better control over your personal data and reduces the risk of unauthorized access or potential hacking attempts. Always remember to sign out from devices you no longer use and keep your password strong and unique for safety. Doing so protects your account and gives you peace of mind while using X every day online securely across all connected devices and accounts safe.